Mabuhay Atomy Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Share ko lang po ito, always sharing naman di ba? Never judge the future of a person based on their present conditions because time has the power to change any black coal to a shiny diamond. It's me. Dali Ong, Diamond Master and Center Head of Atomy Parañaque Center, FLC. Life is not easy, and there will be many situations that come your way that can cause you stress and anxiety. Kaya laban lang. But no matter what your situations right now, you have to pick yourself up and stay calm and positive. Kahit sila ay nega, magpakatotoo ka lang. The truth is this. We all have bad days. The truth is this, we all have bad days, kaya sama-sama tayo. Even the most successful and happy people you see in the world wants to give up. Tayo hindi. However, if you let fear and doubt creep in, it will start to send you in a negative downward spiral where you will get depressed and feel like there is no hope. Maghemuhim lang tayo, ayos na yan. So it is important that every day you feed your mind and with positivity. Stay strong, pwede ka nang mag-challenge, kayang-kaya mo yan. Every one of us is afraid of something. Only overcoming this fear and taking concrete actions can lead to life success. Huwag kang pahuhuli para hindi ka maging bonsai. The world belongs to the brave ones, kaya nandito po tayo kasi matapang tayo. You can do it, never give up. Always trust the process itself and give your whole life to the Lord. Wala silang magagawa pag swerte mo na. Sadyang pinagpala lang talaga. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Dali Ong, Atomy, Diamond Master, Atomy Parañaque Center Head, FLC. Future Sharon Rose Master.